Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wanting to make your Google Sheets cleaner or more visually organized, maybe for meeting notes, task lists, or just to keep information tidy, you've probably thought, I wish I could use bullet points like in Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Well, the good news is even though Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in bullet point button, there are some really easy ways to add them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add bullet points to your cells, making your spreadsheets look more professional and way easier to follow. Let's dive right in. First, if you're already signed into your Gmail account, which most of us are, look up in the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid icon made up of 9 little dots. Go ahead and click on that. This is the Google Apps menu, and it gives you quick access to all sorts of tools like Drive, Calendar, Docs, and of course, Sheets. Once you click on the 9 dots, you'll notice a panel slides open. Just scan through and click on the green Sheets icon. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll down a bit or click more to reveal a few extra options. Selecting Google Sheets will open up the tool either in a new tab or in the same window depending on your browser settings. If you already have a spreadsheet you're working on, just open it up or go ahead and start a new blank sheet for practice. Now let's get to the bullet points. Since there isn't a built-in bullet point function, here's a super simple workaround. Open up a brand new tab in your browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type the words bullet symbol and hit enter. Up at the top of the search results, you'll usually see the actual bullet character, just a small filled-in circle like this. Go ahead and highlight that symbol with your cursor, then right-click and choose Copy. This copies the bullet to your clipboard. Switch back to your Google Sheet. In any cell where you want to add a bullet, just right-click and hit Paste, or use the shortcut Ctrl+V if you're on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. There you go, you've got a perfect little bullet sitting right inside your cell. You can even add a space after it and start typing your list item, or copy and paste more bullets if you're making a whole list. But maybe you want a quicker keyboard-based way. If you're on Windows, try this. Click into the cell you want to work on and simply press Alt and the number 7 on your numeric keypad at the same time. That's Alt+7. You'll see the bullet pop up instantly. It only works if you have a number pad on your keyboard, so if you're using a laptop or a Mac, don't worry. You can always stick with the copy and paste method we just did. And that's really all there is to it. Don't worry if this takes a few tries to get the hang of. Sometimes it's the little tricks that make the biggest difference, especially when you're trying to keep things organized and readable for yourself or your team. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other Google Sheets tips or questions. I love hearing what works for you. And if you want more practical tutorials every week, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.